All right, so we are at 5th Street in Alabama. Have not looked at this one. So I like this house though, I'll tell you right now, because
we don't need a lockbox, guys.
Forget that, yeah.
Hello, sign says no trespassing. Get the f out.
Oh, this one's rent ready.
For who? What's your contractor's name?
Ellis, Mr. Batiste.
Ellis, we're really gonna challenge you with this one, but.
No, this is just a little paint. Well, this is locked, that's good.
Some paint. Some paint.
That's it. Yeah, paint, doorknob, same cabinets.
Hey, Troy, they painted the top corner black up there. I like that. It looks almost like black toxic mold.
I think we used that word on this one.
Yeah, I'm not walking too comfortable.
Oh yeah, that's just paint.
Just paint, yeah.
Yeah.
Just a couple layer killed on there.
Yeah.
We'll be good.
All right, so let's walk the house like I always walk them. Can you turn on the lights, guys? I'm just kidding. God, I didn't bring my good flashlight.
Josh
has a flashlight.
Josh, you got a flashlight on you?
I don't. No, I didn't bring the charger for it.
God damn it! 3,000 lumens out the window.
Where'd you find this one, Troy? Was this on the market?
This was on the MLS. Yeah. How do you think about these floors, Josh?
Not too bad. Pretty solid in the middle.
Let's see how we can make the most profitable use of our money here.
What are your specs on this, Troy? 2-1?
I think this is a 2-1 without really being a 2-1. So this would be turned into a bedroom.
Yeah, that front room there.
Yep.
After we set the closet in, we might be able to move this door this way.
Okay.
Because if you move the door this way, then this area would become a small bedroom.
Right. So let's go through the layout. Here, in my mind, we have way too big of a kitchen. We don't need this big of a kitchen for this small of a house.
Probably sneak laundry in here too if you really wanted to.
Right. Well, or my thinking is we either move this wall over, right, and then we have a small little kitchen. Well, we know we can probably delete a window. That's one idea. Well, the other thing that we could do is, we could open this up so that it feels like this is a bigger space right here, and then we make this kitchen. Maybe I think we just have too much kitchen. Doesn't it feel like too much kitchen?
Were you talking about getting rid of this wall?
No.
Oh, I was like,
No, extend this wall, Josh. Bring it out to here, then you could add another. This is our only bathroom too, right?
That's the only bedroom.
hey, I want to show you all this. Like this here, like a lot of times when they have these red on the breakers, this is a Federal Pacific breaker box. A lot of banks won't loan on them if you have that.
Heard about the Federal Pacific. I remember that name from the flip of the land.
What's the change? Is it just the breakers you
the
gotta
breakers,
pop out?
a lot of the breakers were defective, and
Okay.
you don't know if you have the defective years and everything. So that's
Well, his house ain't burned down yet, so it's probably good.
no, it's fine. But I'm saying a lot of banks won't. If
Or-
you're
or
gonna
Teddy.
sell the house to flip it, a lot of times you got to change it out. Yeah.
All right, now I came up with my solution. The answer is that the kitchen needs to be pushed out here and the bathroom needs to be over here because it just makes the house more functional. And then do the laundry. You see, you know what I'm saying? Josh, do you agree? I mean, put the bathroom here, move the kitchen towards that wall, bust that wall out, make your bathroom here. That flows nicer than.
Flows a lot better than out there.
Yeah,
It's
Yeah.
weird.
Yeah. So I think what we do, Mr. Batiste, is if we just cut this room almost in half, we'll probably have to delete those windows or something, right?
We'll fix that.
Okay, so let's get rid of this chimney. We have our bathroom right here. We put a really nice big bathroom in here. We shove our kitchen in that corner over there.
The back of the house?
Uh-huh.
You still leaving this wall? You're moving this wall out?
No. So this wall goes away. So we shove our kitchen in here. This wall stays. This part just goes away, right? This becomes our bathroom, which now we can enter probably just from that way, I would imagine.
What I'll do,
What's that?
based on what you said, I'll measure it up and I'll draw it up and send it to you.
Yeah, because that's the only way I can see making this space functional is putting.
Because you can do that, if you did this, you can probably extend the bedroom from that wall over, from one of these walls over, make the bedroom right over where the bathroom is right now.
He's saying kitchen back there.
Kitchen back
He's saying
there.
Kitchen back there. So the bedroom would stay over there.
All right.
It's a two.
Checking among the space you have.
Yeah, I just think make it the way it is. But I would wipe out that bathroom.
Okay.
Make this just a big kitchen from here. So this wall goes away. So if you think right here is where a kitchen starts, just down this middle of this window pane, this wall goes away, the kitchen goes all the way into there. If we even wanted to, we could put our laundry back there now. And then we have a really nice big ass bathroom right here. And it's just a 2-1 with a big ass,
I think that's why it works the best.
yeah.
Like, what do you have in your 2-bedroom? This and that over there?
Yep, there's no other way to flow the house.
Okay.
I think that makes a lot of sense.
So now what we do right here is we just, yeah, they already got a closet, we're good. We don't really gotta do anything in here. It's just a 2-1 reconfigured with our entrance to our bathroom right here. Or you could make it right, you could make it right there.
Put it right there. This way.
Yeah, right here, because this will still go to our kitchen. Yeah, right here, you're right, okay. Cut this whole place out, that becomes a kitchen over there. Put the washer and dryer in the corner of that other part of the room.
Oh, this is your chimney area right here.
Yeah, we'll knock that out. Yeah, this goes away, knock down the chimney.
Okay.
We don't need that. It's not functional anyways, it's just taking up space. It's not adding anything in this area, it's not like, so. Now we got a bathroom that's right behind here. Kitchen goes to the corner, and then we can put the laundry in the opposite corner over there. And then we can probably put a door over that, and then we got the most.
Bedroom. Okay.
Yep, that's the best thing I could think to do with this.
You're not gonna have plumbing in that back room, or if you're not gonna try and force that to be a 3rd bedroom, now you have plenty of room for laundry and also for the water heater, the washing and such.
Right, so, well, I just don't see the point. See, once we do something over there, we're gonna have to move the panel,
I
right?
think let this be a bonus room for them, yeah.
Yeah, I would just make it a laundry room in there, to be honest with you. Or you could put the laundry in the bathroom,
That's what I was thinking.
and we just make this open the way it is. So this just becomes like a bonus room right here. This is our kitchen over here.
This actually be a
Dining room, boom!
small little breakfast nook.
We just fixed everything. All right, so
Did you write that all down?
are you ready to go? Did you bring your,
Yo.
did you bring your tools?